Employee management system, best tips. In a company's success, multiple things matter like hard work, strategy, organization, and execution of the plans. So employee management system is a must. But the top thing due to which all these works get done in time is the employees. Without employees, the company is nothing. Because they are the people who invest their time, knowledge, and effort to make company progress. The efficiency of employees depends on how you treat them. Your behavior can motivate them and demotivate them at the same time. To lead the company, you need a good management technique to manage your employees. If you are getting confused about how you should treat your employees, then you are at the right place. In this article, we will discuss the best employee management tips. How to have an effective employee management system. It is important to manage employees if you want to make progress in company name in the market. Here are some tips to do that. 1. Communicate effectively. Communication is the best way to tell your thoughts to other people. By having good communication, you can assign tasks to employees and can explain to them how they can do it effectively. According to research, it is said that when employees have 3 meetings in a day, they remain more focused on their work. To communicate with all the staff, managers arrange meetings. In the meeting, the communication is clear and direct. To make sure everyone can understand easily. During meeting, everyone is allowed to speak and to explain their work. When employees know that they have to explain the work in front of all the members, they put more focus on work and work efficiently just to make sure they do a better job than others. 2. Manage performance. Performance management is the other best tip. Set the mark for work and tell employees to do work according to the mark. If some employees do not provide results according to the expectation, then motivate them to do better. Provide different opportunities to employees that help them to complete their work. Also, allow them to give feedback about the work so that you can resolve their problems if they have any. There are many systems that most systems use for performance reviews. These systems are 360-degree feedback from colleagues and supervisors of the same department, employee ranking systems, collaborative goal setting, etc. By using a performance management tool, you can manage employees' work easily without putting a burden on yourself. Review the Society for Human Resource Management form of the performance appraisal for help. 3. Give balanced feedbacks. Giving neutral feedback is not easy, and also it does not have any impact on the employee's work. Use to give useful feedbacks that encourage the employee to work hard and give efficient results. If you like their work and want to appreciate them, you can give positive feedbacks in the meeting or among other staff members, so that he feels motivated and continues to work with more effort. But if you do not like the work or want to give negative feedback, then the meeting is not the right place. Give negative feedback when no one is around, so that employees do not feel demotivated. Do not use harsh language or a rough tone to give feedback. Think about what will employee think and then give feedback. 4. Assist career development. Investing in career development is good for everyone that is involved. Today, employees expect more opportunities to grow their careers. Make a report and set goals for the employees, so that they can continue to work. After every 3 to 6 months, hold a meeting to communicate with team members about their career paths. Analyze how each employee is tracking against their goals. To offer career development to your employees, you have multiple options like training sessions and job shadowing. Most small business owners allow their employees to think big by imaging a successful and big picture of the company. Monitor all the employees of different levels and ask them how they would like to expand the company to more than one market. Also, allow employees to experience the work at which they have command. 5. Celebrate success of employees. For engagement and positive morale, employee recognition is necessary. When your employee does good work or provides more than expected results by working hard, it becomes your duty to tell them that they are important to this company. To appreciate employees, you can use different methods. For example, you can post on social media, give points and rewards, give badges, etc. Wrapping it all up. To become a good leader, it is important to know how you can manage your customer. It is necessary to know about their interests and what makes them engaged and happy at work. This could be possible by having an employee management system. By using the above tips, you can improve your leadership so that you make company progress.